Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your Volkswagen Golf 6 gear stick knob. You're going to pop it in neutral. You're going to pull up the boot like this. Then you're going to pull up this side first, like so. And here we have everything out. Now we have it up like this. There's a notch here. So guys, you are going to set a screwdriver, a small screwdriver inside this clip here, and try to open it. Try to open it this way, like so. Open this clip, like so, like this. Yeah. I'm going to pull it like this. For this, the clip. It can be squeezed. So in order to take it, you have to open this clip here to take it out. Guys, here we are with the new one. The same as the original gear knob. How it is. I'm going to push it down like this. First, let me remind you, you have to look where your gear is pointing, your numbers are facing, because this thing can turn to anywhere. So you have to make sure the gear knob is pointing the right direction as it's supposed to. You can line it the way you want it. Make sure you line it properly. So guys, now our gear is in the right direction. We are having our clip here. Now we are going to squeeze with our plier like this. A firm squeeze like this. Then you are done. I am going to make sure we lower our boot down like this. Insert the back side first, then you give it a firm push. Give it a firm push. See that all the sections are down. I'm going to dress the boot, and you are done. Now let's test for proper shifting. Excellent. So guys, this is how you change your gear shift knob. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more video. Thank you. Bye bye.